What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is definitely at a unique spot right now because Dogecoin is definitely going to have success, in my opinion. Um, when I look back at what happened, in 2020 to 2021, Dogecoin really started everything. And I've mentioned this in a few videos, but the growth and the popularity and the money that's flowing into Dogecoin is absolutely amazing and insane. And it's not even the tip of the iceberg, right? This isn't you're not even seeing the iceberg. You just know by the radar that there's an iceberg there, but you didn't even see the tip of the iceberg yet because Dogecoin is definitely going to blow everyone's mind and exactly where this goes. Because who would have thought, right? Who would have thought that a project that is created as a joke, that's a meme coin that could honestly have some sort of utility to it, would then surpass so many projects that already have utility and have established something or a place in this world, in this crypto market, in this crypto world. Who would have thought? Well, I definitely thought, as you saw the popularity from the first time around, it doesn't mean that it's just going to go away, right? There's still a high level of popularity. People that bought at high points, that dollar cost average down, that are waiting to see that absolutely flourish, as well as new people that bought at the absolute lows that are seeing this grow and they're already up maybe a good 100, 200, or maybe even close to 300 percent, right? So with that being said, I want to talk about Dogecoin in this video, show you where Dogecoin is because we are seeing a significant move in the last 24 hours, especially as we see, the election season start to happen, right? And what's going to happen for all cryptocurrency, we'll talk about that maybe in another video. But here we're talking about Dogecoin. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for Patreon and Twitter. I also have a link down below for the new platform that I am, partnered with, which is BTCC. This platform is, amazing, and I've been utilizing it for quite some time, for about a couple of weeks now, just to kind of get familiar with it. And I was demo trading and everything, and I like the way everything shapes up. I also like the trade view, the charting of it as well, and the fact that you can do as little as a 2x leverage and as high as a 500x leverage, which is always great because if the market is falling pretty heavily and you want to find the low points and invest a little bit more safe, you can do a 2x leverage, which would be a safer bet than doing a 5x leverage or a 10x leverage. So this is a great platform to do that. If you want to check it out, you guys can actually trade Dogecoin all the way up to a 500x leverage over here. So if you want to, you can. I don't recommend it. I recommend, doing something safer, anything less than like a 10, maybe pushing 15x leverage. Anything less than that, you're pretty much putting yourself in a safer bet than doing a 20, 25, 50, 100, 200, 500x leverage. So make sure you guys check that out down below. My link is down there as well. And I'll catch you hopefully over there in some of the videos that we talk about BTCC and leverage trading and all of that. So anyways, Dogecoin is at a significant spot, as you can see on the screen from BTCC, which we will go over to CoinMarketCap. It shows up here in small green numbers. You have increase of 11%. It's at 17.5 cents, which is great because if you didn't know, the last couple of days hasn't really been as positive for crypto because leading up to the election, you typically see one of two things happening, right? You see it increasing and people getting prepared for maybe that eventual fall, and we could see a decrease as the election happens, or we can see a decrease there as in the first couple of days or first week leading up to it, and then on the day of we see that increase. And I said this in my last video that this is what was going to happen, and this is exactly what is going on. We're not seeing it continue to decrease. We're seeing the overall market increase. And if we actually go back here, let's go to the overall market to show you where things are. It's up by 1.6%, not skyrocketing by any means. We're seeing it at $2.3 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin's dominance is still increasing. It's up 1% at 60.48%. dominance. Obviously, that's not telling me that we're in altcoin season, but it's still great to see some positivity. Now, while we're seeing that positivity, we have Bitcoin that's up by 3.3%. You have BNB that's up by 2.7%, 5% for Solana, XRP, and then you look at Dogecoin and it's up by 11%. Yes, it has decreased in the last hour, but it's up by 11% at a $25.7 billion market cap. And more importantly, as we go into it, we dive into it deeper, look at the volume. The volume is $3.76 billion, up 57%, almost 58% in the last 24 hours. Volume to market cap ratio is 14.56% here. This is the bull market to where we're going to see a level of $1. In my opinion, I believe Dogecoin will get there and probably surpass it in the slightest bit. Not a massive level, but if we see more and more support for cryptocurrency and more of a use, then yes, it could push up to $200 billion. But I believe it's going to reach a $150 billion market cap. And that's just, again, my opinion. I see it doing that because the popularity that I've seen before. You don't typically see projects that had tens of billions, almost hundreds of billions of dollars in a given day for volume. That is amazing. I believe it was a while ago, and don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure I checked it with a volume. $80 billion went through in one day for Dogecoin. That's crazy to be able to see that level of an increase. And again, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe I did see that where it was $80 billion that went through in Dogecoin over that time period. And it was amazing to see that level of traction, of popularity in something that was considered as a joke. Right? It's not a joke anymore. We understand what Dogecoin can be and what it truly will be. So if you look at the past, if you look at history, it was at almost at a level of a dollar. It was at 76 cents. It says 50, but it's doing it by like maybe by week, and the highest by week or something, or the average by week. But it was up to about 70 cents or so. Actually, if we go down here, we could see the high. All-time high was 73, almost 74 cents, according to CoinMarketCap. So this definitely went a lot further than a bunch of people thought. Because when I first invested into it, and I bought at a level of, I think it was 1 cent, might have been 2 cents. But I wanted to buy a little bit earlier. But I bought at a low level either way, and ended up 10xing what I put in there, and continued to add more to the table as well as we seen pullbacks and all that. I added more. I don't have any now. I do have leverage trades that are in there, whether it's in BTCC or Marjax. I have leverage trades that are out there. And I'm already profiting off of those, but I invested $100 from the beginning, turned it into 800. That started really my journey into crypto, or heavily into crypto. But yeah, I want to know what you guys think about Dogecoin. Where do you think it's going to go? Are you excited about this movement? The fact that we're seeing 11, 12% today in gains, $3 billion worth of volume. Are you excited about that? If I go over to, let's wait, where was I going to go? I forget where I was going to go. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, go to the beginning, and we're going to sort it by volume and see what's really reacting with the most volume, right? We have Tether, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, we have another stable coin, and then we also have Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin is the third cryptocurrency that's not a stable coin that's seeing $3.7 billion, seeing more than Solana, seeing more than XRP, or seeing more than BNB, seeing more than XRP. Honestly, it's seeing more than XRP and BNB combined by looking at what, 2.5, 2.6 billion dollars, and you have $3.7 billion. It's a lot of money that's going through one project that was considered as a joke. So guys, check it out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and check out my link for BTCC down below in the description. And hopefully you guys enjoy the platform, because it is a good platform, and I appreciate you doing so because they are a partner with the channel. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.